Alright, welcome everybody. The third day of this build. Gonna get us some more structure in here and hopefully get close to the end. I think it's gonna take, it'll be one more video after this one. We'll finish this up. That's where we got last time with our building our sort of the bumper and subframe and all that good stuff. This must be an older kit, 'cause the new ones, this car was a two-seater. It was a race car for a street car, but it still did have two seats. It didn't have much in the way of any creature comforts, from what I recall. It literally had, they used canvas straps to hold instead of door pulls. They were trying to save weight at every conceivable instance. It was I don't even think there was a radio or air conditioner in this one, or the most high performance car of its day. That's, the air conditioner I understand, but the radio, that doesn't add much weight. But they were trying to save grams, I think is what it comes down to. There you are. Two of these. Okay. You and there. And put that on the other side. I'll get some slightly more light there. I forgot about that yesterday. And okay, so this one goes like that. And this one there. And look right. Yeah, that's it. That goes here. Okay. Okay, we're not even doing it. I thought we're going straight down this side rather than flip-flopping back and forth. Cool. That's a different method. I think this set is a bit older, because just based on some of the things I'm seeing, nothing wrong with it. I still think it was still reasonably priced and I think it'll be good fun. Okay, so here. Oh, it's upside down, that's what's throwing me. This goes on there, and then another sticker. Number 12. See if I can do this one without pulling it off and putting it on 3 or 4 times. Alright, yeah, that one. Okay. Skip the page. Oh, no, I just wasn't paying attention. I just have that on there. So you. I think after all that. Okay. Says it's supposed to snap on there, but it doesn't. That doesn't have clearance for that. Okay. Lego has let me down here. Because that doesn't. It's got too much of a lip on it there to go on like that. Okay, let me make sure I've done this right. Okay, put the. That goes on like that. This goes in like that. Oh, maybe I'm yeah, that would go. What am I missing? Is there any? Huh. Where's the box at? Yeah? Okay, so that. Oh, I see what I'm trying to stick on. Yeah, use the red part, not the black. Okay. Duh. Okay. My bad. Pay better attention. And this one just need want those. And they go there. Alright. Two more of these. No, just one of these. We're just doing one side. Okay. Smooth guys. One single, two right angle ones. Okay, we must be going down the other side now. And the vent looking doodad. Where'd you go? You were in the stack. There you are. But this will be easier now that I know what the instructions that are clearly stated in front of me tell me to do. Do that right? No, I did not. It goes zigzags like that. Yeah. You drop in there. Alright. And back to my old nemesis, my moment of shame. No, it's one of the blue and you. Okay, so do this right this time. Now it's the same either way. And goes to the back. 13 on this one. 13? 11. Okay. Where do I see 13? Do I put yeah. Alright. You here. See how much easier that is when you follow the instructions. These. These. And two right angles. And one Found that one, so there's 2 of those. Two of those. And 2 views. Okay. So black ones go inside the steering wheels. The singles go top of there. And these here and here. Okay, so we've got a good driver's tub going now. Starting to take form on the side pretty well. What we got now? Where am I at on time? The minutes. I'll do this one more step and we'll call it a day. I think I will if I find the pieces. That's not that great. 1, 2, and I do not see. It's probably right in front of me. I'm notorious for doing that. Oh, there it is. The grays and the blacks confuse me on this one. Okay, so back here, we drop you in there. And that on there. Okay. I think that's a good bit of work done today. I'm thinking this is, like I say, the sides are looking. I can sort of start seeing the shape of the car now. He's got a place to stand right now. We'll get him to sit down after a while. But that's where I'm going to stop for today. Thanks for watching, everybody. Like, subscribe, comment, complain, share. Do whatever you want to with all that. Be good to one another. Stay healthy. And I'll see you next time. Bye.